Tuga is back and is going to the water stream here in Moines. Non, vamos. Okay, one hand.
You like the orange color?
Which orange? Oh, okay.
Rất là nóng. Nóng mà anh. Tắm.
If it's hot, shower. Go to shower. He said to me. Đi tắm. Ai vẽ hả?
Hai vé.
Okay. Let's go. I'm ready. À cái gì hả? À.
Đây vô coi chừng. Cá sấu ra.
Hả?
Cá sấu.
Dạ. Có à? Cá sấu hả? Ồ.
Cá sấu.
Có à?
Có.
Có cá sấu ở đây hả?
Cá sấu.
I have fish bite you the legs here. Comme ça. Comme ça.
Really?
Ăn cá sấu hả? Ngon không? Ngon hả? Okay, we can eat this fish. Let's go. Oh, Jesus Christ. They say there is fish here. Be careful. This fish will bite your foot. So I'm not sure where I'm going. This is a water stream. And it's quite beautiful, in fact. Yes. Oh, Jesus. So where we go, Gabi? We go which way? That way? You sure? What about that? Really? Okay, hold on a bit. Hold on a second. I need to prepare myself for exploring the Mississippi River. Okay, let's go. So that way, right? Okay, wow. Be careful, that is the wild fish here that bite your foot. Yes. It's damn hot here, I can assure you. Let's go, Gabi. You are delaying our exploration on the river. She's very worried because the guy said there is wild fish here. Wild fish here that can bite your toes. Cone hat, it's too big for me. It's not that way, Gabi. That we are in the sea already. Tuga knows everything. He knows. We are on the wrong way. We are on the wrong way. Yes. Okay, I will connect again when I'm on the right track. Okay, so there is restaurants inside here, my friends. It's not restaurant. Yes, it's a restaurant, 5-star. Gabi, it's a 5-star restaurant in the water stream. And so far we still haven't found that fish that can hit our toes. Yes, not yet found. But we never know what can happen from this point onwards. We never know. So that's the restaurant. The lady Tuga knows everything. It's very hot. It's a hot stream. Sweet in This is sweetened water stream that people are having there. Some of the food, and we can drink water here. I think I will drink water on the way back. Yes. They say here, do not put too many people together. Hello, goodbye. Hello.
I have already.
Yes, I already paid this one. I paid to the man on the entrance. So this is the fee for the sweetin. Sweetin means in English sweetin. Sweetin means sweetin. There is some grass there. Some grass. Sweetin. Sweetin very good. Sweet coconut also very good. I bít rồi. Bít dứa, có dứa, có kem, có xoài, có sầu riêng. Trời ơi, nhiều lắm. Ok. Sợi quay lại. Ok. Nước Bồ Đào Nha. Năm tháng. Xạo quá. Xạo quá. Không phải, lâu rồi. Ăn nguoi muối nè.
Người mua nè.
Lạnh.
Vừa lạnh.
Wow. This is the cold coconut. Cold.
It's cold?
Yes. Look at this wonderful coconut cold. Rất là lạnh. Oh. Come on, An.
And you have a gata?
Okay. Yes, comme ça. Comme ça.
Đó, ok.
Ô mùi nè. Người mùi nè comme ça. Rất là vui. Rất là vui. Anh ở đây bao lâu hả?
50 năm.
50 năm. Trời ơi. Lâu lắm. Wow, he is here for 50 years. 50 years.
Wow.
Anh ở đây 50 năm. Em không hiểu anh bao nhiêu tuổi?
Anh năm nay là 50 tuổi.
50 tuổi.
Đó.
Nhưng ở đây 50 tuổi.
50 tuổi. Đẻ ở đây luôn.
He born here.
Wow.
No, con trâu. Trâu.
Con trâu.
Con trâu.
Su sủ.
Yeah, su sủ means con trâu means buffalo. I'm from the buffalo here.
Ở đây bao nhiêu năm? Việt Nam bao nhiêu năm?
8 năm.
8 năm. Sài Gòn, Hà Nội.
Sài Gòn, Bình Dương.
Sài Gòn quận mấy?
Quận 7.
Phú Mỹ Hưng.
Găng Phú Mỹ Hưng.
Bên kia sông.
Bên kia sông. Cái gì?
Bên chợ.
Bên chợ đúng rồi.
Đúng không?
Anh biết Sài Gòn hả?
Biết. Bình Dương biết luôn. Bình Dương ở chỗ nào biết luôn.
Bình Dương biết luôn. He knows Sài Gòn. He knows Bình Dương. And he knows District 7.
Bình Dương ở thành phố mới.
Ở thành phố mới, he knows the new city of Bình Dương also. Thành phố mới là new city. Bình Dương new city. Thành phố mới.
But you don't know Phu Nhon.
Anh biết quận Phú Nhuận. Biết. Biết. Bán song ở quận Phú Nhuận.
Đường nào? Đường.
What is your street?
Nguyen Van Dao, I think.
Quỳnh Văn Đậu.
Vinh Van Dao.
Quỳnh Văn Đậu.
Quỳnh Văn Đậu.
Qua chợ Bà Chiểu là Quỳnh Văn
Yes.
Đậu. Ok.
So about you? Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
He knows everything. He knows everything.
Chobachu.
He knows.
Yeah.
This man in here, he knows everything.
Yeah, the chobachu is the fresh market.
Chobachu
Yeah,
is
chobachu,
the fresh
fresh market.
market. The fresh market. Yes, the chobachu.
Bạch đằng. Cho bà chữ là bạch đằng.
Bat dang.
Esse eu não sei o que é.
Bat dang in
Sure.
Vietnamese means bat dang.
Bạch đằng.
Tu também
It's
sabes.
the area.
Ah, ok.
Bạch đằng.
Bat dang.
He knows.
He knows everything.
Yeah. Eu penso
Hello, coconut. Coconut, muiné.
por aqui caminhar nesta
Sinvin Nyamai. Sao? No. I say, you work what in the factory? I work in the factory what? You are the director. I say, no, I'm the worker. And you say, no, no, Sao, liar. You are the liar. No good. Yes, no good.
Sao. Sao. Ah.
Yes. Yeah.
Rồi vẹn lý là giám đốc phải giám đốc. Sao? No what? Việt Nam là kiểu là mafia.
O que é que tu disse?
Mafia.
He said the Tuga here is the mafia. Mafia, Tuga mafia.
He knows.
He knows everything. Oh yes, Bodonya la ratit bóng đá.
Bóng đá. Tây Ban Nha bóng đá là coi có Rooney.
Ronaldo.
Ronaldo.
Yes.
Yes.
Beat Roy, everything. Sum up.
Pergunta-lhe para que é aquela fruta.
Ah, não, canai lá que ia.
Cá dứa.
Ah, caia.
Cá dứa.
Caia.
Eu penso que esses fazem óleo de palma é com isso.
Yeah. Lama gì ạ?
Để làm thuốc.
Ah,
uống mát.
thuốc.
Mát gan.
It's the
mát phổi.
medicine. They do medicine with this. For inside. Thuốc là medicine.
Não é daí que se faz óleo de palma.
Não sei. Cái này là làm dầu. Thuốc không à? Dầu.
Không phải.
Không phải. No.
Mình lấy ra cái này ra rồi bắt đầu phơi nấu nước uống.
Ah. Faz the water and then the water you drink that water. Yes. Nước hương means water drink. Water drink. Nước
They
hương.
do like a tea.
Yes, a juice. Good for the sức khỏe, the health. Healthy, sức khỏe. Yes.
They do
Phải
here?
không?
They
Hả?
do here?
Yes.
Vamos experimentar?
Yes. Anh làm mop cho em được không ạ?
Không được.
Không được.
Cái này phải phơi khô.
Ah, no, is to bring home.
Ah, ok.
Phơi khô xong mới nấu. Phơi cho nó khô mới nấu.
Hiểu chưa? Hiểu chưa?
Chưa
Hiểu. Nói hiểu. Yeah, hiểu.
What is it?
Okay. I ask if you understand already, and you say yes, I understand. Hiểu.
Eu?
Hiểu. I understand. Hiểu everything.
8 năm mẫu.
I know everything. Hiểu everything. Beat everything. Beat. Yes.
Sal.
Xạo.
Tết.
Este meu aprendi?
Không được. Không được. Xin chào bảo vệ. Bảo vệ đang ngủ. Đi ngủ. Ok. Chúc ngủ ngon. Yes. Ok. Tinh.
40 won.
Ok.
40 won.
Bao nhiêu anh?
40.000.
40.
40. Chu đô la.
Rồi. Đúng rồi.
Đúng
rồi. 2 đô.
2 đô.
Đúng rồi. $2. $2, 40,000. One coconut, $1.
$1.
Yes, this one, cold coconut.
Ở bên Ba Nha bao nhiêu tiền một trái dừa?
Không có. How much is the? Do we have coconut in Portugal? Imported.
Not much.
Không có. Không có dừa.
Talvez no continente sim, continente
Don't
é
have
caro e não é
coconut.
fresco.
Maybe have, but it's very expensive. Có thể có, nhưng rất là mắc.
Mát.
So where are you from? Vietnam. I'm from Bologna. Bologna. You know Bologna? No, Spain là Tây Ban Nha. Tây Ban Nha, sell the house, Tây Ban Nha. Okay, my friends, you are from Nha Trang? You are from Muine? Where are you from? You Phan Thit, you Muine. So next, I'm going to Nha Trang.
Okay, enjoy your travel.
Thank you. Bye. Yes. Very friendly Spider-Man. They are from here. Wait for me! I'm being eaten by a fish, Gabi! Ah! Vietnamese Grand Canyon. Yes, we are exploring the Vietnamese Grand Canyon. Yeah. Oh my God. Yes. So nice. The water, it's really hot. Oh, so nice to relax here. Ding, ding dong. Okay, let's go. Don't get lazy. They have here crocodiles. But Gabi, she is the Portuguese crocodile dandy. She will kill the crocodile. So you guys don't worry, we are on safety here with Gabi. Yes, stop. Yeah, amazing. Nice. It's like you are in the Grand Canyon, Vietnam. So let's call this Grand Canyon Vietnam because it looks like Grand Canyon Vietnam. Yeah. Warning, dangerous. Cảnh báo khu vực nguy hiểm sạt lở đất, which means warning, dangerous. Area landslide. I can translate. I can translate everything. Security is sleeping. Sweetin Vita Garden. So this is the garden here, inside. Yeah. You see this guy? This guy put a snake on his shoulders. Hello.
Hello, how are you?
I'm very good, thank you.
Good.
Is it good there? It's worth
cool.
a walk?
It's cool. Yeah,
It's cool.
pretty
You have
Water
a waterfall?
Gets up to about here. Yeah, there's a small waterfall.
Ah, the water goes up to the knee.
Yeah, probably right below your knee.
Oh,
Right above, not below.
yes.
Right above.
Yeah.
Yes, that's what they said, yes. I understand. Thank you.
Good luck.
You do YouTuber?
Yes.
Okay.
So can you please let me make you appear in my movie?
Like what?
Like just appear in the water stream walking. Is it okay?
For now? No, I will back.
Yes, okay.
Time then.
Next time. Thank you. She did not get my question. Oops. Oh. Okay. This from the palm trees. Wow, this is full of trees here blocking the river. Yeah, it's getting deeper. Oops. Let me wait for Gabby. Not sure if she wants to go to the other side because you need to wet your shorts or swimming to the other side. So let's wait for her. I can measure. Check. Yeah. Let's go, Gabi. Yes, that's okay. We can go, Gabi. Huh? Let's go, Gabi.
Ele sabe nadar.
Yo! Okay, I have my phone and my wallet here.
Ai, vai aqui.
Okay, I will cross carefully. They have what? No.
Ai, vai aqui.
Gabi, let's try. So, I already wet my shorts for your information, guys. But Gabi, she is not a strong Portuguese. She's scared, and maybe me, I will fall here inside. Tuga was able to cross the river. Yes. Oh yes. Able. Okay. So now it's time to go back. Okay, because I believe that here you might need to swim. But I'm not ready to swim because I'm going to Nha. Nha means White House. White House. Okay? Yes. So I'm going back. Gabi, I'm going back to you. Okay. Now Tuga is very confident. Very confident to cross, and there is the fish biting me. No problem, I feel. But I have rubber shoes. I have rubber shoes. So my rubber shoes are able to protect me from the fish. Gabi, you should try. No, okay. Thank you.
Olha, e aqui fica
It's okay. Tuga have battery. Okay. So I hope you like it because I need to finish this video with my Tuga friend because she's always on my crazy adventures. Huh? Yes. So I will catch with you later with probably one more adventure. But that one, I'm not sure if I can film. I will try because you know what I mean, right?
Yes, I know.
Okay, so catch with you guys later. Nguoi means I love you, everybody. You, all your families. Okay, look at that fruit. Okay, bye-bye.
Ah, eu por acaso já vi algumas aí a boiar.